Welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll be showing you how I make egusi soup. So let's get started. The first step is to grind the egusi seeds. Add a little water and make it into a paste, then set aside. Making it into a paste is optional. Then season and cook the assorted meat and fish with any seasoning of choice until tender, then set aside. In a pot, heat up the palm oil until it's hot. Then add the egusi paste and fry for 20 minutes, stirring constantly. The egusi is well fried when you can see the oil rise to the top. Now add the mixed stock. Mix thoroughly, cover and leave to boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the ground chili pepper, crayfish, stock cube, and the cooked assorted meat and fish. Then cover and leave to boil for 10 minutes. Now add the fresh fish and leave to cook until the fish is done. If you're not a fan of fresh fish, you can skip this step. Add the vegetables, taste for salt, and leave to simmer for 5 more minutes. And now the soup is ready. Enjoy! I like to garnish mine at the end with red bell peppers, but this is optional. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Bye-bye.